Hey y'all, it's Christina. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my straight to curly hair routine. My hair has been straight for a little over 3 weeks now, so it's definitely time to bring the curls back. Let's get straight into it. Like I said, my hair is about 3 weeks old in this silk press style, and I'm honestly surprised I haven't washed it out sooner. My scalp has low-key been screaming for the past 3 days, so I'm going to go in with this Cream of Nature Scalp Refresh Cleansing Scalp Treatment. For the directions, it does say to put this on your scalp and to leave it in, but obviously we're not following directions today, because I'm definitely washing this out. I like this scalp treatment because as soon as I put it on, I instantly feel a calming sensation on my very irritated scalp. Once it's on every inch of my head, I massage it into my scalp and leave it on for about 20 minutes. But before we sit down, let's go ahead and detangle all of my hair so that I can just jump straight into the shower once the timer for the scalp treatment is up. Detangling before the shower is always a great idea because I just hate extra shedded hair in the shower when it's not needed. So here I am just showing you guys my hair for the last time before it reverts back to its curly state. This is my favorite part of the wash, washing this scalp treatment off and rinsing the product off of my hair. I like doing very thorough rinses because it speeds up the shampooing process. This is a great example to show just how good the silk press products that I use work on my hair. It's taking a bit longer for my curls to revert back with those products still being in my hair, but you'll see in a little bit with them coming back. For shampoo, I'll be using my Holy Grail, the Aussie Miracle Volume Shampoo, and I always shampoo twice. Once the second and final shampoo is rinsed out, I'll be taking my Dove Amplified Textures Super Slip Detangling Conditioner, and I'm going to rake this through my hair with my fingers in sections. When I first used this conditioner, I was hooked. The slip that this conditioner gives your hair is honestly unreal. If you have any tangles in your hair or any knots, go purchase this conditioner. I'm telling you, it will be a lifesaver for you. This is how my hair is looking with the conditioner in before I deep condition, which is my next step. Moving on to deep conditioner, I'll be using the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. Every time I use this hair mask, it makes my hair so smooth like butter. So I highly recommend trying it out for yourself. that the hair mask is all on my hair, I go ahead and wrap it up and I put a shower cap on top. Now I'll be going under my hooded dryer for about 25 minutes and rinsing that out afterwards. So that's it for this video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. If you want to see how I actually ended up styling my hair, the video for that will be up next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.